My hands are dirty. Good morning from Dixie's Garden. I hope you all are doing amazing this morning. I just came to the garden to water my plants. My peppers are coming back again. Look at that, the habanero peppers. The first batch have been harvested. I got a Ziploc full of habaneros, and I was praying that this is gonna give me more. My Carolina Reaper will give me more peppers. They're coming up, and I'm grateful for that. There's one, and there's another one there. Hopeful that all these flowers will give me more peppers. I have another Carolina Reaper plant here, and my moringa plant is doing amazing. There's another one over there too. This is amazing. The tomatoes are okay, I can say, but I'm just gonna give them time to do their best. Look at that hibiscus plant here, the sorrel. If you know, you know the bisap plant. This one is tall. I'm just gonna let this grow big so it can give me some flowers. But this is what I'm excited about. This is what you see, the reason why my hands are this dirty. We're in the garden today. As you can see, I'm looking at my sweet potato vines. Look at the leaves, how they're looking. It looks like it's time for me to harvest these sweet potatoes. It's been here for over 4 months, and 4 months is actually all the time you need. When they hit 4 months, you can really harvest them. You can harvest them less than 4 months, but 4 months is the ideal time to harvest. So they've been here over 4 months, and I saw this. Look at that. This is sweet potato. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna harvest this, because last year I saw this happening and I said, let me leave it there for a while before I can pick it up. But I came back, the bunnies ate it all, so I'm not taking the risk this year. So I'm just gonna try and pull this from this plant. Guys, this is big. This is huge. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Look at this. This is sweet potato, y'all. I found a big one. Thank God it's exposed, but I think, oh my God. Oh my God. This is huge. I don't want to cut it. Okay. Ooh. Guys, I'm gonna put the camera down because this is big. This is big. Let me use both hands. Put the camera down and pick up that sweet potato. So far, this is what I have so far. Guys, this is huge. Look at this sweet potatoes in my hand. This is bigger. Oh my. Shoot, this is at least 3 pounds. Oh, I scratched it a little bit, but it's okay because it was big. I was just trying my best not to scratch it, but I couldn't. Look how huge this is. There's a lot that are this size. They're still there in the garden bed, so I'm gonna let those ones in and give them chance to grow bigger. These ones were sticking out because if I don't harvest them, those creatures are gonna come in and eat them. Like last year, they ate all, and what they do is they start from the bottom and the top. They start from the ground on the bottom and start eating it, and the top looks good, and you're thinking your sweet potatoes are looking good. When you go harvest, you turn it around, all this inside, everything has been eaten. So I'm gonna take these inside. Thank God I got them on time. We'll take that in the garage and let them cure. Once they cure, which will bring the sweetness of the sweet potato, give them 2 to 3 weeks to get cured in the garage, and then move them in a cooler area. If I want to cook them, we cook them. If we want to store them, maybe keep them till Thanksgiving, and we'll have an amazing roasted sweet potato for Thanksgiving. Look what I found.
Oh, this is huge. Wow.
Yeah, they were coming out. They were coming out of the soil, so I don't want the bunnies to eat it like last year.
Okay.
So I took them out.
All right. What's for dinner then?
Ah, see me see. What's for dinner? He's asking what for dinner. Cleaning up a little bit, and I'm watering. Oh, it's just that. And green belenele. Green buneka fele. Don't cut it. And this one. That's food. Alright, I hope you all enjoy this video. I'm harvesting these amazing huge sweet potatoes. I'll take them inside and weigh them and see how many pounds I have, and I'll let you guys know. Thank you all so much for watching this video. This is your girl Dixie saying bye till next time.